In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a salary statement in Microsoft Excel. A salary statement is a simple but very useful worksheet that helps you calculate an employee's earnings, deductions, and final net salary. In Excel, this becomes especially convenient because once you enter the right formula, you can quickly apply it to multiple rows and calculate results automatically. That saves time and helps reduce manual errors. To begin, look at your salary statement table in Excel. The goal here is to calculate the net salary for each employee based on the values already entered in the worksheet. Typically, this means adding the employee's earnings and any additional amounts, then subtracting deductions to get the final take-home pay. Start by clicking Cell E2. This is the cell where the net salary will be calculated for the first row of data. It's important to place the formula in the correct cell so your worksheet stays organized and the results appear in the proper column. Once cell E2 is selected, type this formula exactly as shown, equals B2 plus C2 minus D2. In Excel format, that is EXB2 plus C2 D2. This formula tells Excel to take the value in cell B2, add the value in cell C2, and then subtract the value in cell D2. The result is the net salary for that row. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the net salary in cell E2. If the numbers in the other columns are correct, the answer should appear right away. Now that the first net salary has been calculated, you can use Excel's fill handle to copy the same formula to the remaining rows. Click back on cell E2 if needed, then move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is called the fill handle. When your cursor changes shape, click and drag it downward through the rows where you want the formula to be applied. As you drag down, Excel automatically adjusts the formula for each row. So the next row will use B3, C3, and D3. Then the next one will use B4, C4, and D4, and so on. This is one of the fastest ways to complete repetitive calculations in a salary statement. And that's it. You've successfully created the net salary calculation in Microsoft Excel and applied it to the rest of your table. Always take a moment to review a few rows afterward to make sure the formula copied correctly and the values look accurate. This quick method makes salary computation much easier and more efficient.